So, hello everyone. In this video, let us do one more question which was asked in GATE 2020. It is given that the components are ideal, the resistor values and all other stuff is given, and we should find out the 3 dB cutoff frequency of the circuit. Okay. Now you can see that the output of the op amp is connected to the inverting input of the op amp. So I will assume this circuit is in negative feedback, and because the components are ideal, op amp is ideal and the gain of the op amp is infinite. So because these two conditions are met, I can apply virtual short concept, right? And because the power supply voltages are not given, we can't check our assumption. So let us proceed assuming that the op amp is in negative feedback only. Okay, there is no need of confirming that. Now, how can we do this? Because this this voltage is 0 volts, this voltage will also be 0 volts, that means these are also 0 volts. Since the both ends of the capacitor and the resistors are grounded, these two will be inactivated, right? So let me remove those two and let me solve the question. So let me remove this. Okay, now in which configuration is this circuit in? You can see that the input is connected to the inverting terminal of the op amp. Okay, so this is inverting op amp configuration, right? So what is the formula for inverting op amp configuration? For the gain will be simply equal to minus RF by R1. Okay, if it is non-inverting, the gain formula will be 1 plus RF by R1, where RF is the feedback equivalent resistance. So I should find the equivalent resistance for this two, and that value will be your RF, and this R1 is simply this source resistance. Okay. Now let us find the equivalent resistance for these two. Because these two are in parallel, what will be the equivalent resistance? The resistance the impedance of the capacitance is 1 by j omega c. So R parallel 1 by j omega c is equal to R into 1 by j omega c by R plus 1 by j omega c, that is simply equal to 1 by 1 plus j omega rc, R by 1 plus j omega rc, right? So let me simply copy this and paste it here. Okay, sorry for this erasing stuff. So this entire thing can be replaced by a impedance value of R by 1 plus j omega rc. So what is the gain expression? It is simply V0 by Vi is equal to minus Rf by R1, that is equal to minus R by 1 plus j omega Rc by R, that is simply minus 1 by j omega Rc. So you are aware for this type of transfer functions, the 3 dB cutoff frequency will be f equal to 1 by 2 pi Rc, right? Okay, R omega is equal to 1 by Rc. So according to the options or question asked, you can find either f or omega, and the R value and C value are given in the question, so you can solve this, right? So that's it guys, thank you very much.